Hey, Vaughn the Gadget Man here. Today I'm going to be showing you this Syma X22W mini camera drone. So get ready, 3, 2, 1, let's get testing. Okay, so what we got here is the little drone. We got the manual controller here, the drone, and 2 batteries and a charging station. That's what comes in the box. You can use this with a smartphone, and this is the smartphone holder here. I'm going to be using it with the controller first, show you how easy it is to set up. So the first thing we're going to do, just grab the battery here, stick it in the little drone, and get ready to power it on. There's a little button on top, just hold that down until the lights start blinking. You can see the lights on the end of the wing. They'll start blinking. That means it's ready to sync up with the controller. Press the controller button. You need some double A's there. Once that, press up and down on the left controller. That syncs it, and then pressing up starts the motors, little propellers, and you're ready to fly. So pretty easy, not very hard at all. Little wind today. This doesn't fight the wind that well, so I'm going to have a hard time going to my left because the wind's coming from my left. But I'm just driving it around here. It's pretty easy to drive around. You got 2 sticks. One's to your direction, and one's your tilt and pan. So just drive that little booger around here. It's a lot of fun. It doesn't take a lot of work to learn how to fly it. So there we go, just bringing it back over here. Okay, so now I'm going to use my phone as the camera and to control the camera and take video and pictures with. The first step in doing this is powering on your drone and connecting it to the controller first. Then launching the Syma Go app and connecting your phone to the drone via Wi-Fi. The little drone has a little Wi-Fi network. You connect to it, then launch the app and connect to the little drone. But you have to connect the app to the drone after you connected the controller to use the camera the smartphone as a camera and the controller as a controller. If you connect first to your smartphone to the drone, then you'll have to control it with your smartphone. And I haven't found the app to be very sensitive in controlling the little drone. So now I've got everything connected, and let's get ready to test it out. Okay, so let's launch it up here. And got a lot of wind, so it's giving me a little trouble. Let's do a little flip. All right, let's do another little flip. And another little flip. Pretty cool. Little drone here. Alright, let's see if I can land it on the table. Come on. Fighting the wind. Wind's fighting me. Come on now. I can get it on the table. Boom. Alright. Okay, so here's a little video from the little drone here so you can see what it does. It's not obviously not stable unless you just hold it stable, but it's kind of hard to do that when it's in the wind. Just flying it around here, looking at some different pictures. It's not real super high quality, but you can tell what it is. Looking at my high weeds, had a lot of rain this year. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed this fun little gadget here that I've shown you. Remember, in the description of my videos, I'll have product links for everything you've seen in this video, and in case you're interested in them. And that's about all I've got to say about it. So, the Gadget Man with nothing but gadgets, and I'll see you next time.